I have seen many people losing their hopes of getting rich just because of their low income. Your income or salary actually doesn't play any role in making you rich. It's all about your money habits and how you handle it. In this video, we will be sharing with you the 10 tips that will make you rich, even on a very small salary. Watch the video till the end, as the last tip is very important. Now, without any further delay, let's start. 1. Put together a financial plan. Know your monthly income and expenses so you can determine how much of your paycheck is available for savings. The first step in figuring out how much money you have left over after paying your bills is to create a budget first and adhere to it. Don't forget to include in your monthly housing costs, as well as your food, transportation, and entertainment costs, as well as any savings you'd want to set aside in case of unexpected events. To determine how much money you'll need each month, it might be helpful to review past bank and credit card accounts. Then, at the end of each month, review your expenditures to see if there are any areas where you may cut down. 2. You should take on side jobs. Take a look at the gig economy if you're not happy where you're at financially or if you're having trouble getting better salary elsewhere. In order to save for your future more rapidly, there are several options to generate extra money on the side. When you begin earning a passive income or doing freelance work, you will see a rise in your income almost immediately. You may work in the restaurant after coming back from your office, you may upload videos on YouTube and earn money, as I am doing, or you may work as a script writer for songs or movies and many more. To get started, all you have to do is evaluate your skills. If you want to know the best side jobs, then do subscribe to our channel and stay updated as we will upload a video on best passive income streams very soon. 3. Initiate a financial savings account or pod. Attempting to conserve money by stowing it away in obscure locations about the house is a certain recipe for its loss or impulsive use. Savings pods, which are available to current customers, pay interest at a rate of 4% per year. By doing so, you may avoid the temptation to squander your savings by keeping them out of sight. Additionally, your savings won't expire until you withdraw the money, so you may continue to add to your income in case of an unexpected need. 4. Stop paying for pointless monthly subscriptions. You've done the easy part, creating a budget, tracking your monthly spending, and finding a secure spot for your savings, so now comes the challenging part, reducing your expenditure. Are 5 separate streaming service memberships necessary? Does Amazon's subscribe and save program send you monthly razors or other products you don't need? Make a list of all the recurring invoices you're being charged for each month and cancel the ones you don't need. 5. Look closely at your unavoidable costs, which may not be as unavoidable as you think. Rent or mortgage and automobile payments are usually included as mandatory outlays in a budget because of their prominence as fixed costs. If you're attempting to save money for anything significant, though, you should be willing to bargain on just about everything. Rent and mortgage payments come with a variety of alternatives. You may relocate to a cheaper area, reduce your current dwelling, share an apartment with a friend, or even take in a rent-paying roommate. 6. Food cost reduction. Food is one of the most expensive categories of monthly spending, making it a good location to search for ways to save money when you have a limited budget. If you often dine out or purchase pre-made meals, you may save anywhere from $100 to $500 by making your own meals. Takeout and dining away should be cut down on or eliminated altogether. Instead of forcing yourself to resort to fast food when you're short on time, spend time preparing a meal with friends, going on picnics, or just planning ahead. 7. Don't buy anything. Every once in a while, pledge to yourself that you won't purchase anything new for a whole month. However, you will not be able to treat yourself to anything new, including but not limited to books, clothing, home products, streaming services, online movies, sports equipment, etc. Stop worrying about making money and start focusing on fixing what you have, coming up with creative solutions, and making connections with organizations that concentrate on sharing rather than selling. Your time will be better spent producing homemade meals, giving homemade presents, and purging and selling your unwanted belongings. You'll be able to save and make a lot of money this way. 8. Relocate your savings. To entice customers to transfer their funds, several banks and credit unions provide various bonuses and discounts. For instance, if you set up direct deposit for your paycheck and use a current account, you may access your funds 2 days earlier every time. If you can get your hands on the cash as quickly as possible, you may put it toward bills that generate interest or into a savings pod to grow interest. You may also accumulate points with your current account card by making qualifying transactions. Not only will you be able to avoid accumulating credit card debt by using this method to pay your expenses, but you'll also earn rewards points that can be redeemed for cash. You may easily rack up rewards points at certain stores since they provide bonuses of 15x points for purchases. 9. Automatically pay your monthly bills. You should set up automatic credit card or bank account withdrawals to cover the cost of each ongoing monthly charge. When you're trying to make ends meet on a limited income, late penalties and interest may be devastating. In order to prevent identity theft, you should only provide your banking information to trusted businesses. If you cancel a membership but the firm continues billing your credit card, you may file a dispute with your credit card company and ask for a refund. 10. Get out of debt quickly. Your monthly loan payments and the amount lost to interest and fees should be included into your monthly budget even if savings is your ultimate aim. Take a moment to imagine how much more breathing space you'd have in your spending plan if you no longer had to make payments on any debts, whether they be credit cards, student loans, personal loans, your automobile, or debts owed to friends and family. After establishing an emergency savings fund, it may make good financial sense to prioritize paying off debt in order to free up more money for long-term savings goals. 11. One should save first and last. You may save money every month by setting aside the very minimum required by your budget and yet meeting all of your other financial obligations. One of the first bills you should pay is this savings amount to ensure that it really gets done. Earnings from side gigs, bonuses, and overtime, as well as money set aside each week for necessities like groceries and gas, should add up to a healthy buffer at the end of the month. Avoid the temptation to spend what's left by making a contribution to yourself. That's all for today. Now you know all the ways of getting rich on a low salary. Actually, your salary doesn't make you rich or poor, as I already said before. It's all about your money habits and the way you spend your money. If you spend your money on luxuries, then you can never become rich even on a high salary. Whereas, if you are frugal with your money and focus on investing and purchasing assets, then you could easily get rich. Hit the subscribe button if you learned something new from this video. And also press the like button, it motivates us to make more amazing videos. Share this video with all of your friends and family members. Add a comment below if you have any suggestions. Thank you for watching.